Everyone in the village argued, who's longer, Snake or the big bamboo stick? And Anansi said, me can prove it today. He marched straight to Snake, who was sunbathing on a warm rock. Snake, he said, people say you're shorter than this stick. Snake hissed, shorter? Me? Bring that stick here. He stretched his whole body along it, head to tail, perfectly straight. Anansi walked around dramatically. Still can't tell. Stay still, maybe. If I tie you to the stick we can see better. Before Snake realized, Anansi wrapped vines and ropes around him. Tail, belly. Neck tight, tight, tight. Yes, now I know you're long. Snake narrowed his eyes. Anansi, untie me. Anansi laughed. Why? You look perfect to me. But when Anansi turned around to brag, Snake slipped one coil out, then another, then another. He burst free and chased Anansi through bush, trees, and across the whole village. And from that day on, Anansi learned, when you live by tricks, you better learn to run fast. Like and share this video and subscribe for more stories.